delete history chat with AI coin here at Coin Market Cap. So here to delete your AI chat, just say we're right here, and we're gonna go CMC right here, and we want to delete this right here. But first up, I'm gonna show you to make a new chat. All you need to do is click on the two horizontal lines on the top left corner, then click on new chat right there. Then you can now make a new chat, say hi. There you go. As you can see right now, it is now deep searching in progress. As you can see, it's not like there you go. Hi MCC AI. There you go. Now to delete the chat right here, all we need to do is, once we are here, just go to our CMC AI right here, and then click on the two horizontal lines top left corner. Then as you can see right here, we have the recent conversation. So here are all your chats. To delete the chat right now, let's say you want to delete your chat right now, all you need to do is swipe. Then here you will see edit right here. You can edit the name for it. Let's just say you want it to be called new, and this one, let's say you want it to call old. Let's see, sorry, it's a little bit bugging. Let's see, there you go. Let's say you want to go to old. Yeah, but you guys, a quick reminder, you don't have to do this when you're gonna delete. I just showed you that you can just change your name right there. And then once doing that, all you need to do to delete is just press on delete. And here you will see remove this chat. Press on that. And also to the other one, the last one, just click on remove on chat. So once we go back right here, as you see, it's still there. But once we start a new chat, for example right here, new chat, and then go back right here, and then click on the two horizontal lines top left corner. As you can see, there's no more recent chats right here. So there you go guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions, leave below, comment below. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here how to rock it, guys. And there you go guys, and thank you.